Hi, good afternoon. I just want to give you an update about this complete footpath construction. So, by the way, today is 13th of September 2020. Today is Sunday, and the time now is 4:30 in the afternoon. So, yeah, today I put the shutter on this clean out base. So, this is the first one. And the second one in the corner, and the third one is the water coming from the down pipe. So that's still wet. I just poured just put concrete just maybe 10 minutes ago. So yeah, we have a beautiful weather today. That's why I just grabbed the opportunity to pour concrete on this clean out base. So tomorrow, so what I gotta do is to put the formworks on this side here, so that I can establish how deep of concrete I gotta pour on this area here to prevent water coming from the neighbor coming to my son's area. And also, if I still have time, so I'm gonna start putting the subsoil drain, or maybe I'm going to put the shutter as well. Depends on what other activities I can do. Oh, that's my grandson's toys. Yeah. All right. I hope everyone's okay at the moment. All right. So this is the end of buried pipe. We have 4% slope from here to there, so meaning we have 4.4 mil per meter. So this one is 2.2 times 4%, so we have 88 mil drop from there to here. Alright, so yep, I think that's all I can show today, and hopefully we have a nice weather again tomorrow, so I can continue doing this. I tried to finish this one before end of this month, so I can start my work at home. Alright, my friends, so thank you so much. Please be safe, God bless, and bye for now.